How to add Turbo or Base Turbo token to Bybit wallet. The first of all, make sure you are on the screener website. Now after that, go and copy the token address. Now open your Bybit wallet extension. As you can see, click on the three lines from here. Now click on this little plus icon. Now from here, select the Solana network. After you select it, now paste the token address. Now as you can see, this is valid. Oh, sorry, the choose base network, because as you can see, if you go back, as you can see, the token is under base token base network. Sorry, just open the Bybit wallet, and now let's get started. So click on the three lines, click on plus icon, make sure to select the base network. Now paste now the token address. As you can see, this is the alert. Make sure to read this, and now this is our token. Just click on confirm. Now to make sure that the token is added successfully to our wallet, just go back. And now as you can see, scroll down until you find your token. As you can see, this is Turbo. So this is how to add Turbo token to Bybit wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.